Empenye for say ye kwan na se anka wo dan a wo se de o twa kwan no o na ni tene de o yi kwan na ni tene pa na ni tene ba se kan wa say eh masa Accra che we me dan wo no ugo media de so a Bobbie Ansah one Oheneba Boamah Benny NDC journalist NDC communicators omo ebuafu na omo be clash John Mahama any NDC government no proud to flooding na akos ewa Accra kire se sobo no yanse sani nyina mfa mpem oma pampem na eye omu ene wa aba mu nti omu no so mo hwe na oye entutuye eye omu abe clash John Mahama be mo nchire mu no akire wa adwen e de amame e wo comment section aha Penyah block media mesra say ni dim over like video no that my subscribe button some be click notification and connect latest update some be chire wa adwen de amame e wo comment section oba so a no share for enya bia hwe no me kan phone nala money send app ene de amam o yi USA o yi ko send ka edbe fia eye nala na obia used be is promo code Penyah TV efa send ska ekofi na obenya $20 as bonus nala o Sunday ya na am $20 eye nala na eko used be na obeda mase. Let's go to the so we say him say na NDC ewo fie no in fact they capitalize on everything at the politics. Am I even to the point said 2024 May mu ana inso to eyiri fa Accra mountain so na it wasn't so intense but at the inso eyiri there was a flooding. Am a flooding the crowd na a school for point school there was a school boy bi Accra bia inso no e fa no call am Accra owui through the flooding no owui ye am that day Mahama e make post e Facebook and all blame for the government no e say onu no fail anti crowd o man ya you so Accra ba school boy anka obenyina be panyin padachi obi ani ma adwen da kwa ebi kwara nka dachi na obe Ghana president but because of work for no mamu born nti no ene hyehye ya wontimi fa nwa kwa mu ma asundwe ma Ghana ha ma oman ni mu nti mfa nhyepe nwa kwa mu Accra ya wu ma Mahama e blame for the government ma no kra no sam jamfi esu blame for the government
we say yan kasi afili assist na de wo feli me ma feli aduma pay for you to attack me o my Ghana tigari na wo hefo in this Indiana Ubia boom, yes, or my not easy. We have a geological department, we have a geological department. And fact department, I buy ministries like Western Housing, like the various municipal assemblies. There was a contract for the silting of drains or 1 year. They have failed us. The president has failed us. That is it. Na yaka bibiana amafo say the politics there and the mayan to abey yen fa nipa ba ku so no no ani o man no so saa oye bibi na enya mayen ka because o man penyi bibi na enya na wo ka wo bo ne ti aye so we politics ndi bayan mo ne ti say Ghana ye US enka minister for Western Housing kwa resign
esa be ka say ensu yiri na course no nyame na atwi akufu ado aso.
There is no hope. I have said it somewhere, and I will repeat it here. President Akufo-Addo and Boamah, they are under judgment. The course I just will be a only. I just will be a only spiritual discernment. Say so who do you? We are looking for a miracle. Yen suffer. Yen suffer because in Penyah boni be di o manswa o mine bre. And yes, I net you. Won kind Bible. Old Testament no. Emre bia o hene bone na wo David akodi ni bone onyame de ho aso twe ma Israel for David ma o ye census ma ye kan Israel for bronsam ne ma ne ye yo so na David ni wan na nyame de aso twe ne ko no so o kum Israel for no te say mo ano that is it.
Omo kan say mankasa World Bank etwa sika bi ema Ghana ese Ghana emfa ente odon na river ni mo ne just rivers ni bia wa enkra ho no mo no omo mfa entitim na gates akese no omunfa anya silting omun dredge river no na omunsa anya silting gates ni mo sisi no omu entity gatani mu any other that contract no ebi mu kire say allegedly zera power anya ankosi twima say sika no as at now no as ye hu bebere sika no afa yes na end for allege say zera pa edis kan ema be kai there was a news about say yakon sika egi zera pa empase ema no kwa no asem ebe bebrije ebe buruja e wo Ghana ha no it is for them gusuka se Accra e flood bi a yemfa sobo no emo sisira da pa cause ono okoji iska se o de betete gatemu ate rivers adroge river no any other no wanye eti yemfa sobo no emo no now we say this about bemu enso start air to talk ama Accra e flood ama is Accra flood ya mesia no ayare hosem Accra a flood ama enye easy amanfo japade a say pa ne ka amanfo about to agu no wo have video in fact wani nya den kura wo bisu are ho pa because me kai say me dem ho ewura wo mushu mu say me na at this point enso be yira fa me dem ne ma se sam dem ne ma say me bibia nja film say be boka foforo atompa ko mattress na fo enkwanya nyina afofo tu go nyina to agu afna be to bia foforo the last time there adwuma nyina me studio ne nyina say after say be say scatter for there na e more ya it is a me kai dia to Accra for na in fact we are with you emotions you no more share your pain you no more share your pain what I say you no more share your pain now adu e akoso no ana NDC for ni bi asa say yes han mo bia mfa politics na mo bia emblem aban no nobody should blame the government o ma be kaka na janto be kan bi I say nobody should blame the government na aban we onya hwe enya aban na ma nsuo no eto enya aban na just say they are NDC no omu make defense bi say enya wo mu fault enya wo mu problem ana ma we esisie na sisirada pa ekoji iska so be tigatemu wa anye ye pesubo bia ye mfa nkobo MP for asat now omu da so blame MPP say dia cause of flood dia cause ene no MPP sisada pa koji iska wanfa anya adwanti yenko blame wom na eno ana Bobbie asase he munya asasem no ka mo betina kunya so ko 2 years nie sisada pa mu jiri se wadi iska ana mo mfa ne nkokot et munya sebe sa nkwasasem no Bobbie Ansah e de abufuo abe clash NDC government ene John Mahama for this flooding na akoso Accra in fact wa bo na adwen powder chiro
efia for me ubusame honest view on this matter, I will tell you whether MPP, whether NDC, no politician cares. Trust me. Trust me, they don't care. I doubt, unless somebody convince me, or maybe unless NDC let me tackle Sadia way in such a way that may well convinced that I'm Papa Tiametu about a man or no, they care.
They care.
And this I'll be too stupid, very foolish man to sit here and think that NDC they care more than MPP. I mean, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Look, you are talking about rain. I heard my president saying, "Say, I feel way in sooner chain." Why do we have J. Matthew?
Meteorological agency for no.
Why do we have them? What work?
Almost rains.
So
pattern,
they check the rains pattern. They can tell you. Enra, oma mekan kire say enyame adoma enne ebe break kakra. Ochina to Thursday,
to Sunday.
So enti ye penny foreign person mo catch say even ye share afiwe yase no one why ni awon wo Ghana ha onim say June, July,
ensuoto
August, September
ensuoto
a rainy season why kire me ni pakro the one school dem da
nim say June, July bi wo ho
then na akuafo hu say time say ni bedua ade
a time we fu pebesi time we ensuo betue
wo mumpo
ai.
So obviously, your leadership should know. And in law, that is what we call negligence. Something you should have known.
Yeah.
But you decided, say, you don't want to know.
I don't care.
Like
you said, I basically super.
Yes.
Yeah.
Something you should have known, but you decided, say, no, I don't care. And family. So your rainy pattern, I feel we. Let's get to a Matthew.
Matthew 4.
Is it that right from the January, February, March, one and me and I'm penny for demand this this year, sending son be see ayafa.
Ube kom krana ankoba.
I see a sheni pa banim na ye ka asem no kre.
Etre nipa.
Etre nipa da say look, this is the situation. So this issue about flooding, no, maybe ebia mena metibe ebia otia. I would like to break it into 3 segments. What you say? We need to find out whether ye raining pattern saying the city the raining pattern because obia on the entire make say say a case but my mini engineering problem na no say me all man kase a engineering problem it's nothing new a engineering problem
it is
and me nya tomatoes problem and me nya tailoring problem
a tailor for problem
and be me nya bobo ya engineering ya no ye basic thing akola ya won na kura anim a basic what you say so yes a engineering problem
and so what
exactly that is where the problem is
and so it's an engineering problem and so what
that question NDC busa leadership you see me I voted for NDC man to about NDC na me fail you and you nanka me hu nimfa so bia wo wiase man to about me say brachado for wani bra behwe adan ya ho ne ka kire me say sa adan we eye hia for ne mobrofo adan adan
okonya ska wa hen
no dia ba be si hwe almost here was cement be engineer I don't know yes almost was cement be on to be the feelings so is that right yes almost said that koto ba bia nsuo ewo na omo koto sa cement refi abrochire di aba nobody aba be feel eho no see the yes so wo was sika wo betimi di answer dia
nim confirm when commander
you see
musica is
village why name village hu komo okroma
a lot
president go for na the village assassin ma wo mo yeah kan kra no expand anwumre ko village osuro ko 20 mpanifo na MPP mpanifo abuje anyum omo tinsuo so no omo bonyum no omo sa omo si fom na say nsuo yira no omo be complain ya kire ye I ask them say edu ni mi twem wo village no omo bonyum sa anase pani bi ni me kasa no so wo village na Bobbie bra me kwa bitimi pack wo ho hwe obo sam say munya musese mintena etuo tin no ade no a wo teso no a wo sa no ade no a teso no a wo sa no ye no na e ma ye problem no hwe mo ba bi Accra mo si ma na ekoka hwe ba bi Adanka Williams asorensi ma kasa sa
enso mu say ya team woni mai koka
Toyota Ghana Spenters hwe ba bi esi ma kasa sa da bia Bobbie mu ade that is the reality but obi amwa no aka asem no because na sense me koka ayi bi asem ene aja frɛ me nam sɛ aja man kan ya ka fra unya ka fra man ka fra ka fra sɛ me ka damo mame de engineer sɛ me ka damo mame de we man kan ye sɛ wara
manu ko kwacha
woni midi wie your problem no we know the people behind
nano ana Oheneba Boamah bene so no abaye ke be the flat in Akano also Akano I can't pay. Don't do the nibble. Abekasa.
Nuoma bi a ekoso e wo Ghana ha. Na e wo se ye hwe na ye ka. Sade e be ya wo tena. Enkowie bone emfa mayen. Na empanimfo say until the rotten teeth is pulled out from the mouth. The mouth must chew with caution. Kopim say semproye no ye betu ade afiri anum no ye wi ade a e wo se ye ya hwe yie na senti a nibu sa be no ene se ye wo one of the major problems a e face ye e wo man Ghana mu yenim pa yenim botaye no yenim adekode no yenim problem na wo ho no yenim but either say eye boapaye anase ye dende obia enim adekode eno na ye major problem a amansuuri efa yen ede babesine ensuuri a efa yen ewo krom ha ayo ho sembe na chenwe se wo twedi aponyame adaroma Oheneba Boamah mu me pama ho me hu masenem. Me ka ketewa ba ko ekura me a me de dan me ho. Makosawi. Ya frame yes eh. Ensuo na to. Ewura wo kan mu nyina. Ya boso anye so nti yakofa toyin ka amana kwakuto ka ne ko. Obi nsɛmfu obi nsɛm hunu odi no baabi no ame nsuo yira bɛfa me ya kasi yankoyi sika sa 3 million Ghana cedis so sa 300 million no sa sai no si yasi aduru so kura na se ya ba bɛcha one na ba be benefit from it komifie awo ablekuma ensuo de dami waste bibia wadam bia condemn me eno an say na amene wa bra problem na wo krom ha no a wa mampani John Mahama ka yesi sudia say eye indiscipline no you know yenim ma de kodi akofa say indiscipline me de baye yenim pao yenim program crop na me ba ready NDC for manifesto. We are going to be some constructive questions tonight. NDC ba ye afi enu busumi nsia ni. Abrosoa no aka mfiem ye nu busumi nsia. And these questions they must answer them tonight. They must answer these questions tonight. Because from their own manifesto, we are going to ask them, Somayana. We are going to ask these questions. Yekubisa, I'm a baby yano. Owura na na kwa for 400 million Ghana cedis. Adi mesisiri adapa enti ya to abati omo. Ehuni mfaso bia. When 100 million Ghana cedis. Adi Zoom Lion Company. Ewa juma manya yes. Enti ya to abati omo. And this yaman yokuo na waso. This question from your own manifesto, you must answer them tonight. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Ensure you for your Japan, you know, be NATO. What? And I remember you want me to taxi, when me pawn at 10 o'clock, me be drunk kwa peka. And you be na betu ya kenyo be na beto. All these things mean na munim. Etina mo fixing ya into in your manifesto. You can't get any say ya ba. These are some of the things that you are going to do. Ya dia so bodewo atia Ghana for and this bar. These are the sanitation policies. We are going to ask you the questions. Answer them. Answer them. Answer the questions. Mama to me drank ha and the kukubo. Actually, one dumping site. Yes, it's somebody like what to do. Mama trying. I can say we are coming kabi wohu. But so call from one. And come on a man for a and sound the wall. And farmer NDC aman yokuo. And you are John Mahama. And sounding well because MPP for shall say the propaganda say. Anytime Owura John Mahama ebeba power biano. Ato iren chama ebeto Ghana biano eyana emuoding. Na a serious propaganda messenger. Wamadi kofom. Na eya samwa ewa se yebisa honsem. Owura John Mahama wada Roma. This is the resetting Ghana agenda. This is the resetting Ghana. Jobs, accountability, prosperity. NDC 2024 manifesto. Obi biara wasa buku ebino. Omie enko page 146. Page 146. Now page 146 no. As local governance and decentralization ase. Bueno, aya sanitation, clean up Ghana, and a yejinemu. Mura John Mahama wadarumo. Number 1. Obianim sa Ghana ha yetie. Ufie, dabia yeye aduane, yeye nwura. Jubilee House, yeye aduane, yeye nwura. Yanye aduane kwa yeye nwura. Chief of Staff ufie, yeye nwura. Deputy Chief of Staff mienu, yeye nwura. Minister sa wa power mu nyina obi afie yeye nwura. MPs yeye nwura wo mu fie, including yeye nwura ewe ye fie. Na yeye nwura ni wia. Ya wan krofo bi a wo mu no mo ba fa sa bola no. Na ya tiesie bi se ho asam se. Si ya fa bola no a ehefa. Na ya yekotu. Ya bi sa ye ho. Said this modern day Ghana ya ye wo mu nei. Me be said the first gentleman of the land, the second president of this Ghana, Mr. President, with all due respect. You be so say, and in Yambia Cecilia as the president of the republic. Papa, see you be so say, and a heifer, and a yetu bole gua yewura obabahin. This is a very simple question. Because for many women no ehye aban nase yeto abade mawura John Mahama. It is ensuo ba me fie wa bra me ntu bola wu nsuom na esia e wo se bibisa asem ensuo be fa me ka e wo se bibisa ensuo fa me damu nuoma e wo se bibisa asem na me bisa the first gentleman of the land. Se kuru ya yatimu no papa da katia Ghana from yente e fan yatu ya balagu. Because based on your manifesto, I was saying Yehuba bia ya betu ya balagu. Ya digu hei. Ya di kogu pumu. Ya digu nshum. Because na nsema mampeni beka yama Ghana 40 asese. And you because of indiscipline. And you because of indiscipline. Me so me kati a man penny say. Me fear me team. Omo also mbaba fabola. Na watch me ensani. Omo me fabola nkoye. It is a sebola ni guho. Every dimwa. Because containers yo eye mienu. Ayama ya tetini wa robem. Ni ya diya guho. Ni ya tetini. Ni ya diya guho. Ni ya tetini. Ni ya diya guho. Enyemi majority of nipa no zoom lion and be form ball and wajai wama. Was number 1 sure to talk. Number 2, woman ni correct dumping site you de ball and kokogu. Almost say just some of the cock casua body as well, baby. And sure to talk. Casua quanyesi. Omun to me faso. It is a say ball anaka. Mr. President. We want to say. Ask the president who wants sase. Ghana sase nyina yawudia. Etu obi bakako fabola wododowa. Na wodi aba betwema kobodi ase. Na what are just saying what just saying. Let's ask this question. Obi ko fabola wododowa. Na wodi aba betwema kobodi ase. What just saying. Anobi ko fatama. Na wodi aba betwema kobodi ase. Abay wa lands, abay wan sase, abay yin sase ni binto ho, na yeshia bola muso. That is number 1 problem. I was say abay ne sovoma yen.
Chira waje babe, e wa conversation. I Penyah Block Media, Accra.